Hello, I'm Dr. Rishma Dhillon Pai, President of the Mumbai Obstetric and Gynecological Society, past President of FOXI, ESAR and IHE. Recurrent implantation failure, as you know, is the failure of clinical pregnancy after 4 good quality embryo transfers in at least 3 fresh or frozen cycles in women less than 40 years of age. This happens in about 10% of women seeking IVF. It's truly a frustrating problem. And to help us throw light on maternal factors in recurrent implantation failure, join us on the 3rd of September at 3 p.m. under the aegis of ESAR. Do join us.